Steel. What is that? What is that?
You suck. Score. You will never win. That was pathetic.
Freaking.
Hi, I'm Bowser, and I get the glass. And look at my ashy feet, my ashy legs, shoulders, my bumpy lips. I want to like my shiny elbows, my filthy eyebrows, my slurry neck, my nasty toenails, my cheesy ankles, my greasy knees, my sweaty fists, my slinky wrists, my yellow teeth, my stegosaurus shell, my dirty arms, my slimpy legs, my snotty nose, my freaking eyeballs, my rhinoceros, my scaly stomach, my disgusting fingers, and finally, my musky armpits. I am rhinoceros! I am rhinoceros! 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 And hi, I'm hippopotamus. And I like to get to freaking rhinoceros close. And who is that behind me? Ah!
And take this one too. Huh?
Yeah, take that freaking Bowser, you.
You knew I'm the real Max Steel, right?
Now you messed up, foot soldier. Ah! My foot, my leg. That's step something.
No, you're stepping on somebody, you idiot.
Hi, I'm up. Hi, I'm up. Say my name is up. I'm up. I'm up. I'm up.
That is what you get for being so stupid. Max Steel, take care of him.
No problem.
Excellent. Impressive. Outstanding. Excellent.
That's what happens when you mess with me. Who is you? No, who is you? No, who is you? Alright, you getting